video, I'm going to be showing you how to install this particular script called Zender. It's a bulk messaging software, and it could be used for bulk WhatsApp messaging and bulk SMS. And the bulk SMS is expanded into two ways, basically using third-party APIs such as Twilio and others to send bulk messages, and also using your Android device, i.e. eSIM or SIM cards, as a gateway to send bulk SMS. So just a quick look of the result we are going to get once we are done doing this install. This is what your website would look like after we are done doing the install. While that is loading, let me go back to this pattern and quickly give you a breakdown of the software. So for you to make the purchase, just use the link in the description. That's the script name, and you can use it to download this particular software license. Without the license, it's not going to work. So you can purchase it for just $79. So I have an affiliate link in the description. You might be lucky, and then you might get a discount when you use my affiliate link in the description. So go ahead and use it and make the purchase. So by now this has loaded up, so this is how your website should look like. And then you can also go ahead and check the website, visit the website, and by clicking on this part of the screen, the image to take you to explore the demo. By going to the demo, you can log in, sign up, and check out the website before you make the purchase. Play around it, use it, and do whatever you want to do. I wouldn't want to waste too much time doing that, so we just get ahead and go to the install. So I already have my installed file in my server here. As you can see it here, this is the install file here. So it comes in form of a zip file, so you go ahead and unzip it, and then you should have something like that to unzip. You can, most system has an unzipping tool. Just go ahead and unzip it, and I should have the file here. The file, by opening it, you get to see some certain files. Everything will be uploaded as a zipped file. Everything will be uploaded as a zip file, but the purpose of unzipping unzipping it is basically to see your documentation. Every script has this particular file that gives you a step-by-step guide on how to install any script that you download or purchase on CodeCanyon. Here is the documentation that gives you a nitty-gritty step-by-step guides on how to do the installation and customize the script to your own taste. And then, since I already studied this, I'll just be going ahead to do the step-by-step as it is enlisted here. Some certain requirements that a server should have if you want to do the install of this particular script. Some of them are this: PHP 8.3 MySQL, SSH for WhatsApp, server mode rewrite, all of this. Just ensure you get a good cPanel hosting from a good provider, and you should be fine. The next thing you want to do is you want to go on ahead and download the file from Zender from CodeCanyon. Once you've downloaded it, then the next thing you want to do is pick the file and upload it in your control panel. So here is my control panel. I will go into my file manager. In my file manager, I will upload the script. Well then, for me to upload it, basically this particular file manager, normally if it's you need to upload it here in your public HTML. Yeah, but then I already have a website that is running there at the moment, and I don't want that. So what I'll do is I'll create a subdomain for that. So let me create a subdomain. Where is my subdomain? So there's the domain section, and then in here I would create my subdomain. So let me quickly create simple subdomain. Let's call it Zender dot whatever domain you have. Mine is bulk extra.com.ng. So here is it, so you want to ensure you uncheck this. That's if you are going to be using the subdomain just like mine, and then you would submit. Also, from checking this is basically to ensure it doesn't share the same root file as the main domain, which is the public HTML domain. So because you want it to have its own root file separately and completely differently from the main domain. So once that is done, you want to go on ahead and upload your file into your subdomain that you just created. Automatically this will create a file in your file manager. So you go to your file manager, and inside your file manager you would see the subdomain name here. You can see it here, Zender. So you open it and then you go ahead and click upload, and then you select file, and then you pick the zip file that you downloaded from. This is the zip file here. It's kind of whatever whatnot. Then you upload it here. So we'll wait for that to upload, and then we will continue the video. Okay, while the upload is going on, there's something we need to do as well. We want to create our database. Basically. So we'll go back to the cPanel homepage, and then we'll search for DB. We'll search for DB. To give you this, search for the one that has create manage MySQL database. Create manage delete MySQL database. So we want to go ahead and click that to create it. So first thing you want to do is give it a name. Just give it a name that you can easily remember. Doesn't matter whatever name you put here, you can put your name, whatever it is. Just ensure whatever you are inputting here, you remember it. So create a database name. So you've created the name, because every detail you created here will be used. So you can go on ahead and copy this and save it somewhere. The next thing we want to do is we want to create a user for the DB that we created. So as usual, I love to use the same thing for my DB, and then let's generate a password. So I'll copy this somewhere in a notepad so I can remember. Then I use it, copied it, and then use the password. This gives it a unique password. Doesn't matter if you recall this password. The only aspect where you need to use it will be showing, and I don't think there will be any other time you'll be using it again. So just go ahead and create your user as well. When that's done, I need to save it. Once that is done, you want to now connect both together. So you want to add user to database. So you want to pick this, the user, and then the DB name. Then you want to add it to the database. You click it, give it all privileges, make changes, and voila, you have that. So here is where you'll be copying all those details I said to you. Just copy this. This is your username, this is your database name. Copy it and put it here. You have notepad somewhere close by, and by now our upload should be done. It's done. So we go ahead and reload, the server, and we should have Zender uploaded, the Zender file subdomain especially. Now it's there. We want to go ahead and unzip it. So you left click on it, and then you click extract, and then extract files. and then you should have your Zender file uploaded into your subdomain file. Now here it is. Perfect. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and move the install file into the Zender file automatically. So let me show you this. So with this alone, if we click on the domain Zender, the subdomain that we created, to show us exactly what's in the file manager. This, see, now we want to move this install file so it doesn't show this. We want to move this install file into the main file, such that when you open the domain, it launches the installing server, installing page basically. So you go to the install file here, there you go ahead and copy, select all, and then you move the file to the home page. Move it, and voila, it's there, home page. And by the time we load this, it shows us the launch page, just like that. Simple magic, right? Cool. Yeah, you want to give your site a name, so let's say I want to give it Bulk Tester.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and let you go.